Hey guys, I'm editing here, and I realized that I didn't tell you why I filmed this. I filmed this because I couldn't find any information on how to do it. So I was looking at the only information I could find was for the Mark V's, and it's different. So it gave me a bit of an idea of what to go looking for, but anyhow, this is the way I removed and replaced the sunglass overhead cubby holder. Enjoy. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Initial Speed. I'm your host, Phil. I think this is going to be a short one as I've got a bunch of appointments today to take care of. Nice day out, huh? But I decided I'd bring along some work in the event that I'm early to any of the appointments. So, as you remember, I'm sure, that this thing is not working. It's broken. Well, I brought the new one, and I'm going to install it. Oh, I think I forgot something. Well, we'll make the most of it. Come along, see how I make out. Alright, so far I've popped this, and I'm gonna try to pull this. I've managed to pull this a little bit, but still feels like it's tight through here, so I'm gonna try to pull this section out next. There we go. Found the hole. Okay, so you don't need to pull this housing. Well, that's good to know. And then two more over here, and I believe it's out. Okay, so in order to not be in the same position I'm in, there's a plug for the light. Unplug that. Okay, there you have it. Bad one's out. Let's put this button that I pulled out, back on. Should just clip back into place, snap back into place. Yeah, no big deal. So now, if I wanted to remove this, could I? Or is it all one piece? I don't know. So obviously I'm a little early for my appointment. I think I still have about another 10 minutes or so, and I'm not far away, so let's try to get this one in quickly. Ooh, look how sweet that is. Okay, so let me just show you something. When you're putting it back in, there are little tabs here. They clip into on both sides. That's what's holding this up at the moment until I can get the screws back in. So the big ones with the wide head, the little washer-like part, we'll put those in first. These longer ones will go back in here. Oh, I didn't pull those tabs. So that one that fell didn't have a hook on the back of it to stop it from falling out. The other one does. Get the cap back, clip that back in, and then this one back in, if it will go back in. There we go. Close that up. Then it's this piece. So let's, yep, goes that way. So let's plug this one back in. Clips back in place. The last two screws. Oh, last two screws. And then clip this clear piece back on. And we're all finished. And it's all put back together. And of course, that now works. So see, you can do car stuff anytime, anywhere, any place. All right, I've got 5 minutes to get to my appointment. initialSpeed out, unless I can think of something else to do. Take care, guys. Is that a Supra?